And the Rough Manila Style draws for your lead. Lord Gold is in second. Fiery Bull, Yappy Yo-Yo moving a party outside. I Remain and Boogie Shoes again as they round to the last 600 with Manila's Style running on the outside. I Remain, Yappy Yo-Yo in between runners. Boogie Shoes again moving up by the rail fort. Then racing in P, Fiery Bull and Lord Gold as they race to the last 450. Manila Style, Boogie Shoes again making room by the rail. Yappy Yo-Yo, I Remain, Lord Gold is on the outside with the last 150 more to run. Manila Style, Boogie Shoes again, Lord Gold on the outside. But Manila Style this time by about 2 lengths. And finally, Manila's Style close between Lord Gold and Boogie Shoes again. Then comes Fiery Bull, I Remain, and Yappy Yo-Yo.
Mhm.